So today we have the Melissa and Doug Super Smile Dentist Playset. We're going to unbox this set. It's 25 pieces geared for ages 3 and up. I saw it online and I thought it was interesting. I'm not going to lie. But then once I kind of was digging into what it came in this set, I got really excited. So I can't wait to share this with you. So let's open it up. All right. All right. Oh, very cute. So it looks like these are the toothpaste that the dentist would use, different flavors. Super, super cute. They're a plastic. They don't open, but a pretty sturdy plastic. They're also not terribly small, which I really like that. All right. So this is, wow, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm really impressed. So it's a little funny. I'm not going to lie to you. This is made out of plastic. A lot of Melissa and Doug toys are typically made out of wood. I believe that this is predominantly a plastic set. But this is a very realistic looking mouth, which again, if your kids are interested in that kind of thing, or something that I was considering is that if you have a child that's afraid to go to the dentist or is maybe a little nervous to try that for the first time, this could potentially be a really good opportunity to ease them into what happens at the dentist and getting them more involved in that and helping them to understand that it doesn't have to be scary. So really, really kind of fun. What else do we get with this set? It looks like a case for little teeth molds. That is really funny. I think that this is hilarious and really, really thoughtful. It comes with all sorts of different pieces. It comes with braces. That is really funny. And again, very realistic. Also great for any stage of child. It says that it's made for 3 and up, but if you have a child that's in elementary school getting ready for braces, this is a really, really fun way to introduce that concept to them. Comes with 2 sets of the molds and the top and bottom braces. It all comes in this plastic case. And then we have a little mouth rinse container. It's empty. I don't think you can open it. Oh, you actually can. So maybe you could potentially put water in there, fill it up, and pretend like it's mouth rinse. That's cute. A little cup to go with it, like that. Little friendly tube of toothpaste. All of the colors also, I really like that all of the colors pretty much are the same. They match really well. This also actually opens, so you could potentially, I don't know if you would actually want to put toothpaste in here, but it does open, which is really, really cute. Some other little tools in here. Looks like we'll get into what the actual tools are in just a second. Let me get them out. Okay. Lots and lots of tools. Super fun. Like this. Looks like this is the little mirror that goes in the mouth. It's a real mirror. Still plastic, but very, very good quality. And then we have a little mask. So it's also partly a dress-up opportunity as well. How fun. Okay. A little doctor tag so your child can put their name, maybe draw a little picture of themselves on here. That's super cute. Toothbrush with a little toothpaste. It looks like this is the little picker that the dentist uses. Very cute. Comes with a tray. You can put your tools on. I love that. Let's see what else. Oh, this is a cute, oh, how cute. So this is a thing of floss, and it comes with some little string. How fun. So you can actually pretend to floss inside of the pretend mouth. This is a pretty good, it's a good thickness. I would definitely not encourage your children to use it on themselves. But it's also not terribly long. I know that with young ones, we are worried about choking hazards, things like that. Don't have to worry about that with this. It comes right in this little container. Super fun. Also, this is also a good size. What I also appreciate about a lot of these things is that you can easily see them. If they roll under the couch, you're not losing this. You can see it very well, find it, and put it back with all of your other things. And okay, so we have a little note card made out of plastic. It's a little on the bendy side, but this is not something that's going to be ripping in half or breaking terribly easy. I think you would have to apply quite a bit of pressure to fold this in half and to crease it. It looks like it shows all of the tools, the different things that you can check that you use, or that you can identify. And then on the opposite side of it, it shows the opened mouth and potentially any cavities that you can stick on the teeth and how you can fix them. That is so cool. A lot of great detail. I want to say these are probably, it's just a sticker. Really cute. Can come right off of here. It's not going to probably leave any residue, I wouldn't imagine. It didn't feel terribly sticky on my finger, but will stick well enough on the actual toy. So very, very cute. I got a lot of pieces. I think it's at 25 pieces. A lot of different ways to play with this, and I approve. I think that this is really, really fun.